Welcome to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. This is part 13, HTTP Post in Web API. We have already written 3 HTTP GET endpoints. The first endpoint is for getting all the records. Get all students is a GET. We are getting all the students, and the second one is get student by ID. The third one is get student by name. Now let's create the HTTP post. Post method will be used to create the record. HTTP post method will be used to create the record. DTO. This is the model, and this is HTTP post. So I want to take this only from the body. We can actually get the data in two different ways, from the query parameters, and also from the body. You can also say this as a payload. Here I'll check if the model equal to null, then I'm returning bad request. If the model is not null, then it will come down, and here I need to prepare the student database record equal to new student id equal to model.id. So when we are creating, the id should be the latest one. Client will not send us the id. We need to calculate the id. Integer new id equal to college repository dot students dot last or default. We are reading the last record dot id. So for that last id we need to add +1, then it will gives us the new id. I need to use that new id here. Then name of the student equal to model dot name, then address equal to model dot address, then email equal to model dot email. So I have created the database record, meaning repository record. Now I need to college repository dot students dot add this particular student. So I have added the new student into the repository. The creation is done. Now I need to return OK result. So here I need to return the model. After creating that, I will update the model with id, model.id equal to student.id. So now my model is updated with the id, student id. I'm returning. This is how we can create the post request. If we want to mention the route, so here there are no parameters. I want to make it, so this is just a name. This is not mandatory. I will ignore that. So now my endpoint will be API slash controller name, that is student, API slash student slash create. So now my route here will be API slash student slash create. This is coming from this one. This is a route. Okay, we have created the HTTP post request. Now we need to document the output types. So that's one type, and also the bad request is there, and also the internal server error is possible. So one is bad request, the other one is a OK. I am running this. You can see the new endpoint got added. It is a post request, and the route is API slash student slash create. Let's create the student. Before creating the students, let me see how many students are there. There are 2 students in the repository. Now let me create a student. ID is not required. Now this time he is at gmail.com and HYD. This is the new student information I wanted to create. Now I'm executing it. So we got the response with ID created 3. So now let's go back to the get all students endpoint and let me execute this one again. So this is a students all. I'm executing it again. Now we can get the newly created record here. So the method is working here.